Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form into another. Energy from the sun can be transformed into electricity. You've probably seen some solar panels that are doing exactly that. Solar energy can also be transformed into heat or solar thermal energy. And you can use solar thermal energy to heat water. You might not realize it, but we use a lot of hot water, and not just in the shower. It is also used for heating homes and pools, and it is important for many industrial processes. Right now, people mostly use sources like gas, oil, or other fossil fuels to heat up water. With such a huge heat demand globally, this means a lot of pollution and waste. We want to change that. We are the heat changers. Our goal is to spread awareness of how cost-effective, reliable, and environmentally friendly solar thermal energy is. Energy from the sun is free and unlimited, and it doesn't have any harmful emissions. The technology to harness solar energy for heating water already exists and can easily replace less green ways of heating water. But awareness of this option is very low, and information about it can be confusing and overwhelming. There are heat changers all over the world working to fix this. The Heat Changers campaign is about reaching people who aren't aware of how much hot water we need and how much energy we use to get it. It is for showing people how solar heat works and how we can all use it and benefit from it every day. The Heat Changers campaign is about building a greener future for all of us. Solar heat has been around for a long time. With your help, we can inspire more people to use it, grow our community of heat changers, and make a difference for our planet. Our plan is to build an online presence to educate, inspire, and motivate a new community of people to become heat changers and convert to solar heat. We are building a website, creating videos of heat changers sharing their experiences and knowledge, and using social media to expand our network. We only have one Earth. By founding the Heat Changers campaign, you're helping to make sure our planet thrives for future generations.